Right, let's get started. First, we use the supply trim tool to carefully prise off the original upper air vent. Then we remove the two screws holding the mounting frame. Take out the frame. And disconnect the original power connector. Next, we remove the four screws that secure the original head unit. Once those are out, we can easily pull out the factory radio. Now we need to disconnect all the original wiring, one by one. Our car uses a 40-pin connector, so we choose the large power harness. Here's an important point. Our car is the high-spec version, so we don't need to connect these two little black clips. If the original car comes with an amplifier, we connect this blue amp wire to the red ACC wire. We connect the twin aerial plugs to the original radio antenna ports. Then we can connect the blue wire to the ANT wire on the power harness. Usually it's not essential, but for better reception, we strongly recommend doing it. This is the GPS antenna. These are the 4-pin and 6-pin USB adapter cables. And this is the RCI harness. We'll connect each of them in a moment. If we want clearer hands-free call quality, we can fit this external microphone. Now we mount the GPS antenna under the windscreen for a good satellite view. Now we can connect our new head unit. First, we connect the power harness. One thing we must not forget. This 8-pin cable must be connected. It controls the CAN bus, which gives us steering wheel controls. Here we connect the 4-pin USB. Six-pin USB. The CI harness. Finally, the 10-pin camera adapter. This works with both an aftermarket camera and the original factory camera. After that, we connect the radio aerial and the GPS antenna. Once we've tidied away the wiring, we can slide the new unit into place and refit the 4 screws to secure it. Finally, we reconnect the original core plug. Put the whole frame back. And click everything into position. Done.